In a fast-paced world, where time is precious and health is often overlooked, making thoughtful food choices can transform your well-being. A plant-based diet, particularly when applied to lunches, offers a sustainable and nutritious way to fuel your day. But what exactly does plant-based mean, and how can you create balanced, delicious meals that meet your nutritional needs? Let's dive deeper. 1. What does plant-based mean? Plant-based eating emphasizes whole foods derived from plants, such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, seeds, and grains. It doesn't necessarily mean you have to eliminate animal products entirely, but the focus shifts to minimizing their consumption and maximizing plant-derived nutrients. Unlike strict vegan diets, a plant-based approach can be more flexible. Some people may choose to enjoy occasional animal-based foods while prioritizing plants in their daily meals. This flexibility makes plant-based eating more accessible to people of all ages, including young adults, professionals, and seniors. 2. The health benefits of plant-based lunches. Eating plant-based meals at lunchtime has numerous health benefits. Studies have shown that a plant-rich diet can improve heart health by reducing cholesterol and blood pressure, support weight management due to the high fiber content, enhance digestion thanks to the natural enzymes and fiber found in fruits and vegetables, provide sustained energy without the mid-afternoon crash. For example, a lunch bowl filled with quinoa, roasted sweet potatoes, chickpeas, kale, and tahini dressing delivers an ideal combination of complex carbohydrates, plant-based protein, healthy fats, and fiber. 3. Key nutrients to focus on. When transitioning to a plant-based diet, it's essential to ensure you're getting all the necessary nutrients. Some key nutrients to focus on for balanced plant-based lunches include protein. Contrary to common misconceptions, there are plenty of plant-based protein sources. Legumes, like lentils and black beans, tofu, tempeh, edamame, quinoa, and even leafy greens like spinach contain significant protein. Iron. Iron from plant sources, non-heme iron, can be found in foods like beans, lentils, tofu, pumpkin seeds, and fortified cereals. Pairing these foods with vitamin C-rich options, like citrus fruits, bell peppers, or tomatoes, improves iron absorption. Calcium. For bone health, include calcium-rich plant foods like fortified plant-based milks, tofu, almonds, and leafy greens like kale and collard greens. Omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds, flax seeds, walnuts, and hemp seeds are excellent plant-based sources of omega-3s, which support brain health. Vitamin B12. Since vitamin B12 is mostly found in animal products, those on a fully plant-based diet may need to consume fortified foods, such as plant-based milks or nutritional yeast, or consider supplementation. 4. How to build a balanced plant-based lunch plate. Creating a satisfying and nutritious lunch is easy when you follow a simple formula. 1. Start with a base. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, farro, or whole grain bread provide slow-releasing energy. 2. Add plant-based protein. Incorporate beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, or chickpeas to keep you full and energized. 3. Load up on vegetables. Aim for a colorful variety of vegetables, both cooked and raw, to maximize your intake of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 4. Include healthy fats. Top your meal with avocado, nuts, seeds, or a drizzle of olive oil for flavor and satiety. 5. Enhance with flavorful toppings. Herbs, spices, tahini, lemon juice, and nutritional yeast can elevate your dish and add depth to the flavors. 5. Common challenges and how to overcome them. Many people worry that plant-based lunches might be less filling or lack variety. Here's how to tackle those concerns. Lack of time. Prepare meal components in advance. Batch cook grains, roast vegetables, and portion out snacks like hummus or trail mix. Missing protein. Mix and match protein sources like beans, lentils, tofu, and seeds. A chickpea salad wrap or lentil soup can be just as filling as a meat-based meal. Flavor concerns. Experiment with spices and herbs. Dishes like spicy black bean tacos or Thai peanut stir-fry are bursting with flavor. Now that we've explored the fundamentals of plant-based nutrition, it's time to bring these principles to life with practical lunch ideas. In this section, we'll dive into a variety of plant-based meal options, providing inspiration for balanced, delicious, and easy-to-make lunches suitable for young adults, professionals, and seniors. Whether you're packing a lunch for work, enjoying a meal at home, or looking for something portable, these recipes and tips will make plant-based eating both enjoyable and sustainable. Quick and easy plant-based lunch ideas. Sometimes, life gets busy, and you need a lunch that's both quick to prepare and packed with nutrition. Here are some simple, no-fuss meal ideas. Chickpea salad wrap. Mashed chickpeas with tahini, lemon juice, diced celery, and spices. Wrap it in a whole-grain tortilla with spinach and cucumber slices. Quinoa Buddha bowl. Layer cooked quinoa with roasted sweet potatoes, kale, black beans, avocado slices, and a drizzle of tahini dressing. Avocado toast with toppings. Spread avocado on whole-grain bread and top with cherry tomatoes, pumpkin seeds, and a sprinkle of chili flakes. Lentil and veggie soup. Cook lentils with carrots, celery, onions, garlic, and vegetable broth for a hearty and warming meal. Tofu stir-fry. Sauté tofu with broccoli, bell peppers, snap peas, and sesame oil. Serve over brown rice or rice noodles. Batch cooking and meal prepping tips. Meal prepping can make plant-based eating more manageable, especially during busy weekdays. Here are some strategies to streamline your lunch preparation. Batch cook grains. Cook a large batch of quinoa, brown rice, or farro at the beginning of the week and store it in airtight containers. Roast vegetables in advance. Roasted vegetables like sweet potatoes, carrots, and Brussels sprouts can be used in various dishes throughout the week. Prepare protein sources. Cook lentils, beans, or tofu ahead of time and season them to your liking. Store pre-chopped veggies. Having washed and chopped vegetables on hand makes it easy to throw together a salad or stir-fry. International plant-based flavors. Adding international flavors to your lunches can keep things exciting. Here are some plant-based dishes inspired by global cuisines. Mediterranean falafel bowl. Falafel, hummus, tabbouleh, cucumber, tomatoes, and olives served on a bed of greens or whole-grain pita. Mexican-inspired black bean tacos. Soft corn tortillas filled with black beans, avocado, salsa, and cilantro. Thai peanut noodle salad. Rice noodles tossed with peanut sauce, shredded carrots, bell peppers, and tofu. Indian chickpea curry. A flavorful curry made with chickpeas, coconut milk, tomatoes, and a blend of Indian spices, served over basmati rice. Japanese sushi bowl. A deconstructed sushi bowl with sushi rice, nori strips, avocado, cucumber, edamame, and pickled ginger. Making lunch portable. For those who are always on the go, portable plant-based lunch options are essential. Here are some ideas that travel well. Mason jar salads. Layer ingredients in a mason jar, starting with the dressing at the bottom, followed by hearty ingredients like beans or grains, and then lighter veggies and greens at the top. Vegan bento box. Fill compartments with a variety of items like edamame, sliced veggies, rice balls, and fruit. Energy-packed wraps. Whole grain wraps filled with hummus, avocado, sprouts, and grilled vegetables. Dessert and snack ideas for a balanced lunch. Plant-based lunches don't have to end with the main meal. Adding a small dessert or snack can make your lunch more satisfying. Here are some plant-based options. Fruit and nut energy balls. Made with dates, almonds, oats, and cocoa powder. Chia seed pudding. Mix chia seeds with plant-based milk and a touch of maple syrup. Top with berries and coconut flakes. Dark chocolate and almonds. A simple yet satisfying combination. Apple slices with almond butter. A classic plant-based snack. Roasted chickpeas. Seasoned with spices for a crunchy, protein-packed snack. Overcoming common barriers. Transitioning to plant-based lunches can come with some challenges. Here's how to overcome them. I don't have time to cook. Meal prepping, batch cooking, and choosing simple recipes can help you save time. Focus on dishes that require minimal preparation, like salads, wraps, or grain bowls. I'm worried about getting enough protein. Remember that plant-based protein sources are abundant. Combine beans, lentils, tofu, and quinoa to meet your protein needs. I miss the flavors of my favorite dishes. With the right seasoning and spices, plant-based versions of classic meals can be just as flavorful. For example, use smoked paprika to add a smoky flavor to dishes or nutritional yeast for a cheesy taste. Final thoughts on plant-based lunches. Plant-based eating is not about perfection, it's about progress. By incorporating more plant-based lunches into your routine, you're making a positive impact on your health, the environment, and animal welfare. Remember, the key to a successful plant-based lifestyle is finding meals that you genuinely enjoy. Don't be afraid to experiment with new ingredients, explore international cuisines, and adapt recipes to suit your taste. With these tips, meal ideas, and strategies, you'll be well on your way to enjoying delicious, nutritious, and satisfying plant-based lunches every day.